Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based smart irrigation system. So here we are going to use three sensors. One is a moisture sensor which can detect the moisture level inside the soil, and PIR sensor to detect the animal movements or any motion detection, and a DHT11 to detect the humidity and temperature. So all these four parameters will be uploaded to the Blynk application through this ESP8266 NodeMCU Wi-Fi module. So here so-called status of the sensors continuously monitoring on the 16:2 LCD screen. So we have interfaced the 16:2 LCD screen to the NodeMCU through the I2C LCD driver which are attached to the LCD screen. And also we can control this motor either manually from the switch or from this Blynk application. Using this on-off switch from the Blynk application, we can control this motor through this electromagnetic relay. So the power supply is, for the motor was getting from this 9 volts battery connector. Before demonstration, you can connect the battery to this motor power supply. And here the components are like this one is a breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply which is coming from this adapter. The adapter will take 230 volts AC inputs, and the output of this adapter is 5 volts DC output. So we are attaching that here, and from this PCB breadboard we are distributing the 5 volts throughout the input and output modules. So in our project, input modules are soil moisture sensor, PIR sensor, and DHT11 switch, and output modules are electromagnetic relay, 16:2 LCD screen. So these are the output modules. Coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced these modules like 16:2 LCD was connected to the D2, D3, D4 for the relay, and D5 attached to the DHT11, and D7 for the PIR sensors which was connected to the DH, and A0 for the soil moisture sensor. So these are the main pin connections for the NodeMCU. So before demonstration, we should enable the hotspot. By using that hotspot only, the system will connect to the Blynk application. So as of now, the device was offline. We can see that. And log into the Blynk application. We need to install the Blynk IOT from the Play Store. And after installation, log into the Blynk application from the given credentials. The next step is go to hotspot settings of your phone. Configure the hotspot to project 6149 without any space, without any capital letter. This is very important. And password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling the hotspot along with data, log into the Blynk application and stay on the screen. And also we can enable and disable the PIR sensor. Means when you are working in the field, if you want to disable the motion sensor, you can disable that. When you are off the field, you can enable the PIR sensor. Then you will get the notification alert to the Blynk application directly. This can be accessed from anywhere in the world. And the next step, first step is on the hotspot data and log into the Blynk application. The next step is keep the switch towards 0. This is very important. Keep the switch towards 0. And after all these setups only, now on the power supply to the kids. So welcome message will display on the LCD screen, and we can see the device will be connected to the online, and we can see initialization. Right, now there's a T nothing but temperature, H nothing but humidity, S nothing but moisture content, soil moisture, M motion was off state now, means it's not detecting any motion now, and W nothing but water motor. So as of now the motion was detected by the PIR sensor while we are demonstrating. Just I'm hiding that sensor so that it won't provide us the motion detection. And now the motor, coming to the motor, so now we can go to the, now the offline marks gone. Right, now we can see the humidity, and the temperature is 20 degrees centigrade, humidity 69%, and moisture is 23%. So when we remove that from the water, we can dip this to any soil like plant pot. Right, we can see the moisture content now. So if you want to control the motor by using the switch manually, you can see that. So 1. So before demonstration 0, and after getting on, all got switched on, and when it is online, when the LCD displays the sensors data, then you can keep this to the off. So you can see that again off. This I am switching off the power supply to the kids, and on the power supply. After it's showing the sensors data, then keep this 1. Right. So now you can off the motor got off. Right, if is there any junk data displayed on the LCD screen like this, just off the motor and you can keep it in off. You can off the power supply and on it again. And coming to the motion sensor, let us see that. Right, so now when I can control that motor now. So from the Blynk application, of the motor, and next PIR also. So when I enable that, so you'll get the notification alert. So it will show the notification alert. No. So wait for 10 seconds, let the PIR sensor it cool down so that it won't detect the motions. So the sensor got cooled down. Now you can see there is no motion. So now this so-called motion LED was off in our Blynk application. Okay, so when PIR sensor detect the motion, then you'll get the notification alert like smart irrigation PIR motion warning is motion detected. So just keep on sending the alerts till you off this one, or else till the motion was disabled from the PIR sensor. Right, so you can see here also when we enable this, we can see the motion is on now. So when we keep this off, motion off. Right.